will learn about Google Drive. What is Google Drive and how to upload files or folders to Google Drive. Google Drive is one of the most versatile cloud storage services available today, and like any cloud storage service, its main purpose is to expand your ability to store files beyond the limits of your hard drive. Google Drive offers users 15 gigabytes of free storage with 100 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, 10 terabytes, 20 terabytes, and 30 terabytes offered through optional paid plans. How to upload files or folders to Google Drive. For that, you need to open browser window. Type here in the address bar drive.google.com. You must have a Gmail account for this and you must be logged in. For uploading a file or folder, you must click on new button here. This button is for creating new folder, this is for file uploading, and this is for folder uploading. Currently we are uploading a file, so click on file upload. Browse the file in the computer, click on open. You can see the file will be easily and very soon uploaded, and it has been uploaded. You can see the file in the Google Drive. Here are the files. If you want to upload folders, simply click on new button and folder upload. Browse through folders and choose any folder, click on upload. If you want to move this file to any folder or new folder, click on new, click on folder option, type the name of folder, click on create. The folder has been created, my picture. Simply drag and drop the file to the folder. It will be moved. The file has been moved, it has been lost here, and to open this folder, simply double click on the folder and it will open, and you can see the files here. Thank you friends.